Hello and thanks for joining us. We begin tonight with the start of testimony in the case of 3 officers charged in a fatal tasing 4 years ago. Kalisha Moore takes us through what witnesses said on the stand today in Washington County.
This week, hundreds of potential jurors were questioned, but this morning, the chosen pool got to hear opening statements.
No evidence that he committed a crime. But on that summer day, Uri Lee Martin had the audacity to exercise his constitutional right to walk away. And to be so bold, he lost his life.
Michael was put in a position to make a split-second decision that could potentially be life-saving for the community. He did not know that Mr. Martin was schizophrenic.
After opening statements, the state called several witnesses. Investigator Trey Burgamy with the Washington County Sheriff's Office took the stand, where the prosecution asked about department policy.
What is the policy with regard to multiple deployments of the taser on an individual?
It's prohibited, no way.
And does this policy put you on notice that certain people could be at risk of serious injury if multiple deployments upon their body are made?
Yes, ma'am.
The defense cross-examined Burgamy.
It says agencies should recognize, however, particularly where backup deputies are unavailable, that multiple applications may be necessary.
Okay.
It doesn't say they are necessary, it says they may be necessary.
So it's possible, it's kind of something that's left in the officer's discretion based on the situation.
Yes, sir.
Lee Curtis Bentley was the second man to call 911 the day Martin died. When he took the stand Thursday, he described moments he remembers after the deputy's interaction with Martin.
My wife says to me, "They didn't kill him." I said, "No, they wouldn't kill him." But he was dead. And he just laid there, and one guy kind of kicked at his hood that the guy, I guess, was wearing, and kind of flipped it over his head. And it was no more than a dead animal.
The defense maintains that the deputies did not know about Martin's mental illness and that the charges are misclassified as a homicide. Meanwhile, the state says Martin broke no laws but used his constitutional right to walk away, which caused him to lose his life. In Washington County, Kalisha Moore, 13 WMAZ News.
In 2019, Judge H. Gibb Flanders threw out the charges, ruling the deputies were protected by immunity. Last year, the Georgia Supreme Court overruled and said the case should go to trial.